Pulling out the engine bolts. One-handed. Let's see if I can do this film. You can see there's no stress on the engine because it's floating. It's being held up. So now let's break these bolts. Do the bottom one first. Oh, there it goes. And then the top one is oh, there it goes. And the bottom one came out. There you go. The engine fell back slightly, so it wasn't perfect to stand. You know what I need to do? I need to jack the bike up now, or lower, just start to lower the engine and make sure no cables are going to get caught. Anything that I might have missed, right? As I start to lower the engine. Oh, I got to jack the bike.